Well, we'll come into the Porgera area, which is one of the biggest gold mines in the world, but it's also one of the most dangerous, deadly gold mines in the world. Hey, and they've closed the mine down because of the violence. So lots of chop here, and lots of alcohol and rape, and a lot of issues they've had, and a lot of pollution of the local environment. Anyway, we've come up here to have a look at some of the local birds, and we've just stopped at the local market to get some breakfast. Yeah, no broccoli. Thank you. 6 kina?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, carrots, potatoes, yes, nice. Broccoli. Do you make it all locally? Yeah. Yeah?